Hello everyone. Despite checking out food packets and really keeping a close eye on what you consume, there is a large chance that you may not know about these interesting food facts. So here are 7 facts about food that you may find hard to swallow. Number 1. Bird's saliva is actually an expensive delicacy. Forget caviar and expensive truffles. Bird's saliva is the food of the well-heeled, at least in China anyway. Bird's nest soup is an expensive delicacy made from rare bird's nest created from the saliva of small swiftlets. The nest, which have been used in Chinese cooking for over 4 centuries, are dissolved in water to make a soup which is believed to have an exquisite flavor and benefit to health. These bird nests are one of the most expensive animal food products consumed by humans. Number 2. Your food is allowed to contain traces of insects. If you think that when you buy your food and be bug-free, well, unfortunately not. It seems that some of these elements are allowable and often unavoidable in small quantities. In the US, for example, the Food and the Drug Administration (FDA) allows for natural defects in food products, meaning your food can legally contain traces of stuff that you probably do not want to be swallowing. The FDA will only begin an investigation into foods once they go over the allowable levels they set. For example, chocolate would only ever be investigated once it reaches 60 or more insect fragments per 100 grams. Anything below this level is considered okay. For peanut butter, the level is set lower at 30 insect fragments per 100 grams. Number 3. Fruits and vegetables are less nutritious than it used to be. Yes, you may well be eating the recommended levels of fruits and vegetables, but it's possible it might not be doing you the same amount of good that it used to be. Finding published in the journal Hot Science suggests that due to modern agriculture and practices, fruits and vegetables are less nutritious than they used to be half a century ago. It was suggested that you would have to eat 8 times the amount of oranges now to get the same amount of vitamin A as your grandparents would have years before. To try and max your benefits from eating fruits and vegetables, consume more of it and, if possible, eat organically produced. Number 4. Pre-packed salads and greens may not be clean. When you buy your salad and other greens pre-packed in the supermarkets, it would have gone through a washing process. But just how clean is it? A consumer report on pre-washed salads found that 39% of the 200 plus samples tested contained bacteria, the type of which would indicate contamination. Similarly, a study from the University of California, Riverside, found that certain leaves, in this case spinach leaves, have numerous nooks and crannies where bacteria can remain despite washing. So the best practice or the advice is to truly wash all greens regardless of the packing. Number 5. Chewing coffee beans can eliminate bad breath. Yes, do you wish to get rid of yourself from bad breath? Those of you who choose to chew on some gum or even some extra strong mints are doing it wrong, as the answer apparently lies in the coffee bean. Yes, chewing on the roasted coffee beans can get rid of your garlic or onion breath. Other good options to freshen your breath include parsley, mint leaves or cloves. If you prefer to drink your coffee rather than chewing it, then Israeli scientists have found that coffee can inhibit the bacteria that leads to bad breath, but best to drink it black. Number 6. Chocolate is as healthy as fruit. Yes, while we were telling you earlier to eat more fruits, perhaps we should also be telling you to eat more chocolates. Research has suggested that chocolate can be just as good for you as fruits. In tests that compared dark chocolate with fruit juice made from blueberries and pomegranate, dark chocolate was found to be higher in disease-fighting antioxidants. For maximum benefits, it is best to choose dark chocolates over milk chocolates, as the dairy variety contains additional sugar and it is much more processed, which reduces the health benefits. Number 7. Chocolate supplies may run out. Yes, the bad news for those of you wanting to take advantage of the chocolate benefits mentioned above, as the popular treat is in real danger of going into shortage. Well, the prices of your favorite chocolate bars have been on the rise in the recent years, or the bar have been shrinking in size due to the growing global demand for cocoa. In addition, the additional demand from emerging mass markets such as China, India, Indonesia, Brazil, and Russia mean there aren't enough cocoa trees to meet demand, and the possibility of a supply shortfall could be on the way. So guys, what do you think about these 7 facts? Please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any of our videos. Thank you.